Hi lads, so we're going to draw a little keyring like this object here. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to go to a new version, a new part in SolidWorks, so a new part and click OK. So we're going to select the top plane and we're going to select sketch, and we're now going to go to sketch and we're going to go to this little rectangle and we're going to use a thing called center rectangle. So center rectangle, actually I hadn't selected the plane, so top plane, sketch. I know I'm in a sketch because these two icons are over here in the corner. So I go here, center rectangle, and I latch onto the origin. See the yellow symbol? That means it's attached to the origin. I just draw it out there, any size I want for now. I go to Smart Dimension, just there, and I'm going to make that line there 60, and we'll make that one there 40. The sketch has now gone black, which means I am happy with that for size, and it's defined. So I now go to Features, Extrude, and we're going to give it a thickness of 4. Okay, so it's 4mm thickness, and that's that object there. Now we can do small things like round off the corners here. So to round off the corners, we go Fillet, and we select that edge, and we'll select this edge here as well, and we'll select this edge here, and we'll select that edge there, and we're going to make that's 10 at the minute. We'll go to full preview, see what it looks like. Yeah, 10 looks okay. Okay, so I'm happy with 10, so I'm going to press correct. So now I have that shape. I can also fillet the top edge maybe as well. So I go fillet again, and I select that surface there actually, just the top surface, and it's set at 10. I think that would be enough, maybe with 2mm there. So just select 2, and I just click somewhere on the screen here. Oh, so that face should have taken it all in. It did. Okay, so now I have it rounded off. Now, so that gets me the main object itself drawn, and I want to add text to it. So when I want to add text, what I have to do is open a new sketch. So I select the surface I want to draw onto, and I go to this one here, sketch. And again, I know I'm in a sketch because these two icons are visible. And I'm going to go up to line, but I'm going to go to the arrow beside line, and I'm going to use the center line. So I'm going to put a line across there. Just doesn't matter, just drop it off, press escape, and we don't need to worry about the length. I now go to the symbol up here, which is called text. So I select text, and it'll ask me what do we want to draw the line on top of. So I want to put that line, I want to put the text on top of that line. So I select that line, and in here, I just put in my whatever you want to say and yours. Now, you can adjust it just like you would with Google Docs. You go to the middle. If you go to deselect this box and you go to font, that will allow you to change the size of your. You can punch it in here if you want. So say what 6 looks like there. Click OK. OK, font. So we'll bring that up maybe to, up to 12. Okay, 12 is too big. So probably about 9. So it's very much trial and error. Okay, that looks right. Now, if I want to have something underneath that, I want to have my house keys. Okay, I can have that there as well. And I think that one has to be the same size font. We'll just try and see if we can make that smaller. No, it brings them all smaller, but that's okay. So I'm happy enough with that for now, so I'm going to press correct. The only thing I want to do is I want to move that more center. So if I bring that line down, that will move with it. Okay, so on its own, that's not going to show anything. So what I have to go now is features, and I'm going to go extrude a cut. And if it doesn't find it, just select the sketch itself. Mine already was there. And I'm going to go down about 2mm because the thickness of the object is 4. So I go down 2mm, and that is cut down into that by 2mm. You can see it there. The final thing is I need to put the little hole for the ring. So I'm going to select the surface here, sketch, and again I know I'm in a sketch because these two icons. I'm going to put a circle. I put the biggest circle I can, but I don't put it too close to the edge because it will break obviously when we put our clip onto it. With Smart Dimension that there to be, I think 5 is more than enough for that circle. So put 5 there, and we'll put that around there. Looks pretty good. I don't need to worry about locating. Just make sure it's out of the way. So then I'm going to go to features, extrude cut, and I'm going to change that to through all. So it means it cuts through that regardless of the thickness of it. And now I press correct. So that now, I should have saved it at the start. I'm going to go File, Save As, and I'm going to save that into my USB here, and I'm going to call that my C Clean House Keys. And I'm going to say 17th or 18th of November 2025. Okay, so that's saved into that there. Now, with the saving part, I'll explain to you where to save it on yours. Mine is on a memory stick. You'll be saving yours to document. So I click save, and now I have that done. Next stage will be to put that into slicing software, and we'll have a new video for that.